guys, I'm your girl Toby
and I'm your girl Sash,
and together we are the Real Jamaican Foodies.
This is where we explore the culinary side of Jamaica while we showcase our culture through food.
Yes, normally we have tourists coming to Jamaica and they are undecisive of where to have a meal, where to grab a bite. That's where we come in. We only have 3 rules, and that is to taste it,
Eat it,
and review it. Right? So we want you guys to join us on our journey while we explore the restaurants of Jamaica and give you guys our review. So next time when you stop by at a restaurant, you'll know what you're gonna have, how much you're gonna spend, because we told you, right? You do have a good one. Stay tuned to our other videos.